Consider the following information. Which of the following options represents the same relationship as the aforementioned information? To solve this question, let's start by substituting these values in for a and c and figuring out what our equation is supposed to be. We have y is equal to a, which we know is 0, times x minus c, which we know is 1. If we were to simplify this, 0 times x, that would just give us 0. 0 times anything is 0. So we would have y is equal to, this would completely cancel out, leaving us with just negative 1. So our equation is y equals negative 1, and let's look at our answer choices to see which function matches that equation. For answer choice A, we are looking at a function that represents x is equal to positive 1 because we have a straight line that is going up and down through the x value of positive 1. So that makes answer choice A incorrect. For answer choice C, our other graph, we have a horizontal line that is going straight through y is equal to negative 1. So that would represent the equation we have up here, and that can make C our correct answer. But let's double check B and D to make sure that they are incorrect. For either answer choice B or D, we could plug in these values of x's to see if the y values are true or false. And no matter what we plug in, if we get our equation back, we have y is equal to ax minus c. We know a is always 0. We don't know what x is, and we always know that c is 1. So if I were to plug 0 in for x, 0 times 0 is 0. If I were to plug in negative 1, 0 times negative 1 is 0. Anything times 0 will always give us 0. So our equation, no matter what input we use, no matter what x value we use, we will always get y is equal to negative 1. So the table we should be looking for, a table that would be correct, would be something like this. Let's say we have 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and our x values, negative 1 should be every single output. No matter what we plug in, y should always be negative 1. If we look at answer choice B and D, B almost follows that principle, except it's always a positive 1 instead of a negative 1. So B is incorrect. And D follows the principle, except it's our input that is always negative 1, not our output. That makes answer choice D incorrect and makes C our correct answer.